Take advantage of the road less paved with the 2019 Subaru Outback 2.5i Premium. It includes all the features of the Subaru Outback base model, plus several extras. Count on a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder Subaru Boxer engine and standard Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive featuring X mode with hill descent control. It comes standard with a Lineartronic CVT with manual mode paddle shifters for optimal fuel efficiency, helping it achieve up to 32 highway mpg. It's more than capable thanks to its high 8.7 inches of ground clearance and 2,700-pound towing capacity. There are also 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, adjustable and retractable crossbars with integrated tie-downs for all your gear, fog lights to aid vision, and heated side mirrors to clear the frost. There's an available power rear gate that allows you to open and close the tailgate with the touch of a button as well. EyeSight driver assist technology with pre-collision braking is now standard, and there are available safety features as well, like blind spot detection and rear cross-traffic alert for added awareness, and high beam assist to automatically activate and dim your high beams for optimum lighting. Inside, you'll enjoy custom comfort with the 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, and a dual-zone automatic climate control system that allows the driver and front passenger to choose their own temperatures. Settle into the refined cloth-upholstered interior accented with silver metallic trim and a stitched dash, and enjoy the feel of the leather-wrapped steering wheel with integrated controls. Always adaptable, the Outback offers multiple cargo and seating options with its 60/40 split folding rear seatbacks. Stay connected to your favorite music and apps with Subaru STARLINK Multimedia Plus, featuring standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, all on an 8-inch touchscreen, along with 6 speakers, Sirius XM All-Access Radio, and Travel Link. STARLINK Safety and Security can promptly send first responders in an emergency, help police locate your vehicle if it's stolen, and more. The Outback Premium offers the added convenience of the available Subaru STARLINK Multimedia navigation system, too, and an available power moonroof, offering a wide open view overhead. To learn about the next model in the lineup, the Outback 2.5i Limited, click the link on your screen.